A little warm out there again today. I'll show you a little fun fact coming up later in the hour about how warm we're off to the start here in January in some areas. But temperatures climbing back into the 80s today, considerably warmer than most days in January. But cold front is possible to bring some rain here by the time we get to Saturday. Probably Saturday is your best chance for rain, but there could be a few little showers before then, before the front gets here. Even a couple out there right now. But cooler weather comes for Sunday and early next week. The really cold stuff, though, probably staying away, but temperatures will be not in the 80s early next week. It will be more like 50s and 60s for highs. 80 degrees right now in Harlingen and Raymondville. 81 in Edinburgh, 79 along the coast in Port Isabel, but a little breeze out there still pulling up some warm temperatures, even with some of the clouds kind of hanging in there. And a few of those clouds creating a couple of little brief showers around. You see nearly every place is dry, but you see little specks on the radar of just little spots of showers popping up. When we zoom into a couple of them, the one that we showed you earlier near the top of the hour has passed through La Jolla already and is now moving across areas of kind of western Hidalgo County. Right there is the Starr County line, so about ready to head into Starr County. And one little shower was also trying to hold together as it came through by Edinburgh. Has now pretty much fizzled out on the north side of Edinburgh. And again, little showers like this may still be able to pop up over the next couple of hours early this afternoon. Most of the rain, though, is going to be well to the north. You see a few more showers on the upper edge of the screen, most of it being steered pretty far away from us. So if you're thinking of the weekend already, by the time we get to Saturday and Sunday, we'll start a cooling trend. A cold front's coming in later Saturday, probably late afternoon or early evening, so temperatures will start to fall Saturday night and Sunday. But Saturday is your best chance for rain. Don't think it's going to rain all day, but at some point there could be a few showers or even a storm building up, mainly toward the late afternoon and evening when the front gets here. But generally in the 70s during the afternoon hours, still fairly warm on Saturday. By Sunday, we'll probably be in the 60s for highs. Cooler weather, some clouds around, kind of mostly cloudy much of the day, and there may be a sprinkle or two left over, but I think Sunday is generally a drier day. Here we are on Futuretrack, and it shows kind of partly to mostly cloudy skies today, maybe a couple little showers and a light breeze. By tonight, more clouds and maybe a sprinkle overnight. Even Friday, can't say it's going to be 100% dry, but like today, almost no rain. I think it will still be warm and in the 80s and nearly dry everywhere. By the time we get to Saturday, we start off dry for the most part in the morning, maybe a couple of little isolated showers. Could be kind of foggy early in the morning, but by afternoon, the front comes in probably around 4 or 5 o'clock or so. Along the front, there could be a few showers around, maybe even a thunderstorm. Not severe, though, but maybe a little flash of lightning or two. And as the front pushes through, some rain showers could be behind the front into the overnight hours of Saturday. And by the time we get to Sunday morning, I think the rain, if it is around in the morning, will start to kind of decrease pretty quickly after that. So it could be a little wet, maybe in some areas Sunday morning. We'll show you more details on that coming up, too, during the hour. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. 80s today and tomorrow. Lows in the 60s, but a couple of light rain showers possible in spots the next couple of days, but very little. Saturday's your best chance for rain. Thunderstorms could pop up in a few spots, maybe a few showers. Not expecting severe weather, but maybe a quick downpour here and there. By Sunday, we start to dry out, turn breezy and cooler, highs in the low 60s. And by Monday, a little chillier on the holiday, a high of 59, and the temperatures stay a bit cool by Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll keep tracking your weekend weather in more detail coming up here in a few minutes. Dina?